The chapter is algebraic expressions and identities. In the second exercise, third question. Complete the table of products. This is the first monomial, the downwards is the second monomial. We can multiply two monomials. The product means multiply two monomials. 2x into 2x. Okay, here we can write 2x into 2x. It is equal to 2 to the 4. X into x, x square. Okay, the second one is second one is 2x into minus 5y. 2 5s are 10, plus into minus, minus 10xy. Third one is 2x into 3x square. 2 3s are 6. X into x square, that is x to the power of 1 into x square. X power 2 plus 1, 3, 6x cube. In that way, 2 4s are 8. Here minus is there. Plus 2 minus 4 minus 8. X into x, x to the power of 2, y. Plus 2x plus 7x square y. Or if you get confusion, write like that. 2x into 7x square y. 2 7s are 14. X into x square, it is x to the power of 1. Bases are same. So we add the powers. 1 plus 2 is 3 into y. Third one is first row, last column. 2x into minus 9x square y square. 2 into minus 9 minus 18. 2 9s are 18 with negative sign. X to the power of 1 x square. That is x cube y square. Why? Because 1 plus 2 is 3. In the same way, minus 5y into 2x. Minus 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10 with negative sign, minus 10. Yx or xy, we can write any order variable. Next one is minus 5y into minus 5y. Minus into minus plus. 5 5s are 25. Y power 1, y power 1. If the bases are same, then we can add the powers. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next, minus 5y into 3x square. Minus into plus, minus 5 3s are 15, y x square. The next column, minus 5y into minus 4xy. Minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20, y power 1, y power 1. Bases are same, then we can add the powers. Y square into x. Next, minus 5y into 7x square y. This is corresponding row column, row monomial, column monomial. It is equal to minus 5 into 7, minus into plus, minus 7 5s are 35. Y power 1, y power 1. That is y power 1 plus 1 to y square, x square. Here, last one, minus 5y into minus 9x square y square. Minus into minus plus, 5 9s are 45. Y power 1, y square, that is y power 1 plus 2 is 3, x square. Next, third row. 3x square into 2x. 3x square into 2x. 3 2s are 6. Both are x variable. X square into x, that is x power 2 plus 1, 3. 6x cube. Next one, 3x square into minus 5y equal to plus into minus minus 5 3s are 15 x square y. Next, 3x square into 3x square. 3 3s are 9, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4. 3x square into minus 4xy. Plus into minus minus, 3 4s are 12, x to the power of 2 into x to the power of 1, x cube, y. Next, 3x square into 7x square, y. 3 7s are 21, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y. 3x square into minus 9x square, y square. Plus 3 into minus 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 27, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y square. Next, minus 4 2s are minus 8, x power 1, x power 1, x power 2, y. Minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20, x y power 1, y power 1, y square. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12, x power 1, x power 2, 1 plus 2, 3, y. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16, x to the power of 1 plus 1, 2, y to the power of 1 plus 1, 2. Next, 7 7s are 49, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y to the power of 1 plus 1, 2. Sorry. Minus 4, minus 7, minus 28, x to the power of 1 plus 2, 3, y to the power of 1 plus 1, 2. Minus into minus plus, 9 4s are 36, x to the power of 1 plus 2, 3, y to the power of 1 plus 2, 3. 7 2s are 14, x to the power of 2 plus 1, 3, x cube, y. 7 5s are minus 35, x square, y power 1 plus 1 square. 7 3s are 21, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y. 7 4s are minus 28, x to the power of 2 plus 1, 3, y power 1 plus 1, 2. 7 7s are 49, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y to the power of 1 plus 1, 2. 7 into minus 9, minus 63, 7 9s are 63, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y to the power of 1 plus 2, 3. Nine 2s are 18, x to the power of 1 plus 2, 3, y square. 9 5s are minus 45, x square, y to the power of 2 plus 1, y cube. 9 3s are 27, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y square. 9 4s are minus 36, x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. 9 7s are 63, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y power 2 plus 1, 3. 9 into minus 9, 9 9s are 81, plus into minus minus, x to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, y to the power of 2 plus 2, 4. That is y power 4, x power 4. This is the completion of the table of the products, those products of the expressions, two monomials, monomial by a monomial. Okay. Next, fourth problem. Fourth question. Obtain the volume of a rectangular boxes, that is nothing but cuboid, with the following length, breadth, and height respectively. This is length, breadth, height. In the second, length, breadth, height. In the third, length, breadth, height. In the fourth, length, breadth, height. First of all, what is the volume of a rectangle? Volume formula. Volume of a rectangular boxes. Not rectangle, rectangular box. That is nothing but cuboid. It is equal to length into breadth into height, LBH. This is the formula. For the first one, the volume of a rectangular box length is equal to 5a into breadth equal to 3a square into height equal to 7a to the power of 4. Here, 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 15 5s are 75, 6s are 90, 7s are 105. A power 1, a square, a power 4. All bases are same. A, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. 105 into a power 7. Next, second one. Volume of a rectangular box. Length is 2p into breadth is 4q into height is 8r equal to 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. P is the one variable, Q is the one variable, R is the one variable. Third one. Volume of a rectangular box equal to xy into 2x square y into 2xy square equal to 1. Xy is nothing but 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. X to the power of 1, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, x to the power of 4. Next here, y to the power of 1, y to the power of 1, y to the power of 2. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 4, x to the power of 4, y to the power of 4 is the volume of the given length, breadth, height. Fourth one. Volume of a rectangular box equal to length is A, breadth is 2B, height is 3C. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. A, B, C. 3 variables are different. A, B, C. Obtain the product of the 3 monomials. Find the product. Product of first question is xy into yz into zx. Here, x variables are here and here. X power 1, x power 1. That is x square. Here, y variables powers we can observe. Y power 1, y power 1. So it is 1 power 1 plus 1, 2, y square. Here, z power 1, z power 1. Z power 1 plus 1, 2. The product of xy into yz into zx equal to x square, y square, z square. The second question. A into minus a square into a cube. All bases are same, just you can multiply the signs. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Here a power 1, a square, a cube. Bases are same, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. That is the product. Third one, product 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. It is equal to 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 64 into 16. 16 4s are 64. 6 is carry. 6 6 are 30, 96. 16 6 are 96 plus 6. 112. 102. Sorry. 102. 96 plus 6 are 102. That is 1024 y to the power of here 1, here 2, here 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1024 y to the power of 6. Fourth one. A into 2B into 3C into 6ABC. Here 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 6, 36. First we product the numbers. Then variables, a power 1, a power 1, a power 1 plus 1, a square, a power 2, b power 1, b power 1, b power 1 plus 1, 2, that is b square, c power 1, c power 1, that is c power 1 plus 1, c power 2, c square. Fifth one, product, m into minus mn into mnp. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. M power 1, m power 1, m power 1. So base is m, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Next, n power 1, n power 1, n power 1 plus 1, 2. P, that is minus m cube n square p. It is the third question. The exercise is completed.